Here we are looking at the 1966 GT look, 289 Holley 4-barrel, V8 automatic, beautifully finished in black, California, solid rust-free car, black plate, styled steel wheels. It's just a cutie. Look at that thing. That's wonderful. GT steering wheel, gauges. All right. Beautiful. Dual exhaust through the valence. I love it. I want to keep it, but that's not my job. So here it is for sale. All right, let's take this baby for a drive. All the gauges work and register properly. Good oil pressure. We'll see the speedometer in a minute. Charges. And temperature gauge works like it should. Wipers. And horn. And let's see here. It's an automatic, so we're going to put it in for drive and go take a drive. All right. Up it goes. All right. Let's take a look at the engine bay. We've got a 289 Ford V8, Holley 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake manifold, and nice and clean and tidy. Car runs really nice. It's got power steering, and underside of the hood's finished nice. Very pretty. Interior's real nice. The pony interior, GT steering wheel, automatic transmission. There's the running ponies on the seats. It's really good in here. Nice dashboard, excellent headliner. Very clean indeed. Okay, here's a final walk around of the Mustang. Looks really great in black. High quality paint. Excellent condition. Terrific. That is an easy car to like, that's for sure.